Information that is confirmed at the moment is the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has died after his plane crashed in Baramati. The DGCA has confirmed that the plane crash in Baramati led to the death of all people on board, including the NCP leader. An investigation has been launched into the circumstances around the plane crash. And Nilesh, you have also been speaking to a lot of officials on the site as well. We will come back to you in just a moment. Like you mentioned, the Prime Minister has also spoken to the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis over the phone to inquire about Ajit Pawar's accident. And we are told that the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has also dialed the Chief Minister to speak to the Chief Minister. As of now, the information coming in is that Ajit Pawar is no more. In fact, we are told that political leaders have also started gathering at Sharad Pawar's residence. The Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister was on his way for a campaign. These are the visuals from the spot. Visuals show the wreckage after the fatal crash. Nilesh is back on the phone line with us. And Nilesh, you've been speaking to a lot of officials as well. And what are the details? What have the officials revealed on what exactly happened during the landing that led to the crash?
Well, yes, Pratibha, as we have been speaking that since the crash took place, this unfortunate one, there are various speculation, various theories which are emerging, stating of the condition that could have ultimately led to this massive crash. But what we understand that it would be too early to say what exactly transpired, because as we have been speaking that Baramati happens to be a remote area wherein the temperature could also be a one factor. Since it is a winter season, that could be a fog-like situation. Low visibility could also be one of the factors which ultimately led to this massive crash. But was it the exact cause that needs to be investigated, which is currently being investigated? There could be possibly a time of 1 or 2 days when the exact cause could be ascertained. Was there any technical snag? Was there any fault into the landing strip? Was it a bird strike? So all of those theories currently are floating, but we have to wait for the official confirmation, which can only be given out after a thorough investigation is being done. But yes, as we have been stating that there has been various complaints earlier also that how Eknath Shinde, that another DCM, had to cancel various schedule of his when he had reported some technical snags into his helicopters and private planes as well. So was there a thorough maintenance which was being done, which was being followed? That is also one angle that is currently being discussed and explored. The DGC is in contact with the officials. The details of the crew members have finally been given out by the DGCA officials, stating that how two flight members were on board, one including Mr. Sahil and another including Mr. Yash.
Let's also go across to our colleague Niyamika, who's joining us from Supriya Sule's residence. We're told she's also leaving from Delhi, headed to Baramati. Niyamika?
Well, yes, indeed. Just now, the family members of as Sharad Pawar, Ms. Supriya Sule, she has left, and all the family members have just now left from 6 Janpath. As we were currently standing here, just in front of the residence of Mr. Sharad Pawar. As just now we have seen that how all the family members, including Ms. Supriya Sule, as well as Sunetra Pawar, as well as Parth Pawar, they all left from this residence as they are heading to Baramati via a charter flight, which we have been told that it's at 11 o'clock in the morning. As here there were several other MPs, including Nishikant Dubey, Fauzia Khan, Priyanka Chaturvedi. They had also arrived here as soon as they got this information about this tragic incident of plane crash which had taken place in Baramati. However, all the leaders have also told the media that they are also waiting for the official confirmation. However, now the family members are directly heading to Baramati, as earlier they were scheduled to go to Pune first via a commercial flight and then to Baramati. But now, because the statement which has been given by the DGCA, the way in which some of the visuals are coming in, after that the family had decided to go to Baramati directly via a charter flight, and now they have left from this residence in the national capital. However,
All right, just a moment, Niyamika. We have a reaction coming in from Praful Patel.
क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, ये तो अब जांच ही बताएगा. अभी हमें जो भी समाचार मिले हैं उसी में हम लोग अभी शोक से अभी बाहर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं. जब जानकारी ज्यादा मिलेगी तब
आखिरी बात सर, जांच की बात कही जा रही है कि इस पूरे दुर्घटना की जांच करवाई.
Yes, Niyamika, you were talking about the political leaders who also arrived at Supriya Sule's residence. We're told that she is headed directly to Baramati.
Well, yes, indeed. Supriya Sule has left from the residence of the national capital 6 Janpath along with Mr. Parth Pawar, as they are directly going to Baramati, where this tragic incident has taken place. As earlier it was being planned by the family members that they will take a commercial flight, and that flight was to Pune, and from there they were being scheduled to go to Baramati. But after the statement which is coming in on the part of the DGCA, the way in which there were some media reports are coming in, so now the family has decided to go to Baramati directly via a charter flight. And as soon as this information was being circulated, there were several of the family friends and the other member of parliament from the other parties as well. They had also started arriving here at 6 Janpath to have a meeting with Supriya Sule, as the first one was Nishikant Dubey. He had arrived here along with the other MPs of the NCP, including Fauzia Khan. She was also, very much saddened after getting this news, as she has also told that as soon as she got that information, she directly headed to 6 Janpath to meet Supriya Sule, because this is a very tragic incident which has taken place on this day. As today it is the first day of the parliament session, all the MPs had arrived here in the national capital to attend this budget session of parliament. But this sad news had come in the morning itself, so that was the reason why even Priyanka Chaturvedi had also arrived here. She also wanted to meet and communicate her prayers for Mr. Ajit Pawar to the family members. The way in which these news is getting circulated, there are some people who are basically expressing their condolences. We have seen that several of the leaders have also made a tweet in this regard. However, the family members are still saying that they are awaiting for an official confirmation. They are still waiting for the DGCA to clarify that what is the actual situation is there. But the way in which the visuals are coming in,
Niyamika, we now have more details on what